What are supercooled atoms? This topic sounds incredibly complicated, but it's actually quite intuitive. Imagine you have a room full of toddlers. Now, some of you, like me, don't have to imagine it because we live it every day. When they're excited, they're kind of running around everywhere. That's what normal atoms are like. Now imagine that you've somehow convinced those toddlers to just sit perfectly still. That's what scientists are trying to do with atoms, and I imagine they're having more luck than you would trying to do that with toddlers. So they use precise lasers and magnetic fields to slow down the atoms until they're only moving a little bit. These are called ultra-cooled or supercooled atoms. They're cooled just a few billionths of a degree above absolute zero. Absolute zero is the coolest temperature physically possible, which is 0 Kelvin, or minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. Nothing can actually reach absolute zero, but scientists can get really close. Moving atoms are very difficult to study, kind of like trying to dress a hyperactive toddler. When atoms slow down, scientists are able to watch them move in ways that you wouldn't normally see. Quantum mechanics take over, and atoms start acting like they're one giant atom in perfect sync. On Earth, the gravity keeps pulling the atom cloud down, which causes several problems. The atoms fall, they spread out, bump into the container, and experiments only last like a fraction of a second. So scientists can only observe them for a very short time before gravity ruins the experiment. On the ISS, the astronauts, the lab, the atoms are all falling at the exact same rate. So inside the station, it feels like there is no gravity. So the atom cloud can float, and scientists can study it for much longer. Told you I'd look it up for a YouTube short.